resume our tasting station after the
Thank you. Oo. May sasabihin ka ba? I-upload natin ito mamaya sa YouTube para ano.
Diyan mo ka.
Kaya ito siya kayo. Kaya ano pa patato mo? Patato ka na.
Hawa vlog.
Gusto naman ni Ate Jess oh.
Fire truck.
Sometimes my life is like an ocean.
Ganda naman ni Ate Kayla.
I'm just going through the motions. My head is racing down the highway. I don't know where I'm going, but it's my way. That's when I stop tripping, thinking about what I'm missing. I feel so good, I bet you say it. Just wanna stop tripping, thinking about what I'm missing. I feel so good, I bet you say it.
And now,
Sunod kayo ha. Ano po siya?
let's start.
Tagal niya. Lang muna. Yan. Okay na yan. Hindi na mainit yan. Okay na. Hindi na yan nagkakaroon. Okay na. Ito.
Jimmy. Blue Dragon naman kay Jimmy. Walis, Kilego, green.
May yellow. May yellow.
Jude, ano papatato mo, Jude?
Ano daw sa'yo?
Ah,
Dragon.
Dragon.
Una sila dragon. Lilipat na sila mamaya. Ako na yung
Blue Dragon din.
Baka naman pag may tumawag sa'yo, iba pa. Ano? Fire dragon eh.
Ano?
Fire dragon Liam eh.
Opa.
Ano sa mirror Liam doon? Pero pag blue na, blue is water. Oo. Kaya nga blue eh, dahil paborito.
Para kay
Dave
Kuya.
lang sa'yo yun, okay?
Sorry, tayo. Ikaw ba sunod? Pambalata.
Thank you so much for your team. And next in line, Dito. Everybody clap your hands.
Malikot yun.
Next, Tito Dindo.
Wait lang, hintayin mo lang mata, di pa tapos. Ito naman eh, di pa tapos. Hindi na, harap na dun. Ito naman eh, di pa tapos. Ako talaga to. Di pa tapos. Di pa tapos. Ayaw na.
Say hi! Hi! Okay, stay where you are. And watch like this. Very good. Stay where you are. I'll count to you. Very good. Everybody say bye-bye. Happy birthday! You want more?
Let's start drawing your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Make it big. Bigger. Very good. Don't move. Keep smiling. Next is the nose. Next is the mouth. And shape of the face. And last are the ears. Is there something missing? Right? Hair, very good. How old are you? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's next? Eyelashes, very good. Eyebrows, that's right. Kamukha na ba niya? Does it look like him? No? Thank you so much for it. Great. Who are you? Are you my daddy? No. Mommy, of course. Who are you? My name is Jimson. I'm a party host magician. Really? You're a magician? Yes, look at my outfit. Wow. I thought you're a technician. I'm not a technician. I want you to say hi to them. To them. Wow. Wait a minute. Where are we? Look, there's so many people. We're here at SM. Maraming mga bata, nasan tayo? Orphanage. Wala tayo sa orphanage. Andito tayo sa 7th birthday ni Riley. Ayan. Sino? Riley. Saan? Ayun o. Si Riley, Bakit? Kaklase ko yan Kaklase mo si Riley? Oo, lagi niya kinukuha yung baong ko. Hi ka kay Riley. Hi. Magpakilala ka. Sino? Ikaw. Ako? Saan? Dito. Okay. Ano yung mga anak ko? Magpakilala ka. Sino? Ikaw. Dito. Opo. Okay. Dito. Oh. Okay. What I'm gonna do? Introduce yourself. Like my name is Jimson. My name is Jimson. That's my name. Already told you name at the backstage. Okay. My name, very good, is very good. Very good. My name is very good. No. Your name is not very good. Okay, my name is very bad. Stop! Hindi mo alam pangalan mo? Nakalimutan ko Nakalimutan mo? Listen I want you to remember your name while touching your head. Do you feel it now? Yeah. Anong nararamdaman mo? Makati. I'm not gonna touch your head na. Okay? Now, concentrate. And remember your name. Concentrate. What are you doing? Concentrate. Concentrate.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Very good. Ready? Relax.
Face to the audience. Relax. First your hands like this. Very good. Relax, Riley. Wala ka bang clip yan? Wala clip. Yeah, no? Riley, close your eyes. Very good. Relax, Riley. Clap your hands! Gusto mo pala mas mataas? Kids, everybody say up! Up! Tatabas ko natin Riley, ha? Okay, tulog na. Relax natin Riley. It's okay. Wow! It's magic! Clap your hands! Clap your hands! Now let's make it faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Riley, please sa gilid ka, Ate Riley. Yun, no? Okay, abot mo po. Dun sa right side na lang po, Ate Riley. Okay, Riley, pagbilang ko po ng 3, sabay blow ng candle, and then sabay shot po ng camera. Riley, 3, blow! Yay! Tweet Ate Zoe. Palakpakan naman po tayo kay Ate Zoe. Let's go!
Happy birthday, Ate Riley. Sana sa paglaki natin maging mabait pa rin lahat tayo. Happy birthday.
One, two, three, smile! Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Riley. Sana lumaki kang mabait at huwag nang matampuling maingge. At sana laging malusog at masigla. Mag-aral mabuti, ha. Nagpangalan ka ni Nanay.
Happy birthday, anak. Parang kailan lang, 7 taong ka na. 7th birthday mo na ngayon. Nalala ko nung ikaw ay nasa hospital, kayo ni Mami sa Medical City, na yung pala ikaw ay ICCS pa, nasa travel kami ng Medical City ni Lola mo. Ulit-ulit na salmo at pagrorosaryo ang naganap. Salamat Panginoon sa buhay ng apo namin. Lumaki siyang mabait, matalino at may banal na pagkatakot sa iyo. We love you, anak, and God bless you. Love you.
So sexy.
Hi, my love. Happy birthday.
So, ayun, parang kailan lang. Kasi nga siman si Daddy, diba? So, ako lagi kasama ni Mami. Kami magpaalaga sa Makati. And ilang months yun. So, ako lagi Please don't grow fast. Yun. Ako lagi, you teach me how to be independent kasi okay na rin yun kasi nung nasundan ka, medyo mature na ako mag-isip. I was already 10 years old that time. So, ayun, kasi ang hirap din mag-isa kung especially nagtatrabaho na time si mommy and si daddy, OFW. So, ayun, I know na you won't remember all of this. But my only wish to God is for you to stay who you are, being lovable and also being an annoying sister. I wish you to be healthy.
Kasama si Kara! Let's go, Lego!
Ang magaling si Ate Ayesha. Isa lang kaya Ayesha kasi isa lang. Okay. Let's go, Ate Ayesha. Picture. And play the music!
This fairy tale that I wake up in the street, baby. Ayoko umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka
1, 2, 3.
mahiwagan sa lamig ng kanya aaminin. Kanyang kulay na pag-ibig, mahiwagan sa lamig ang bawang dapat gawin. Bakit ang puso'y nakipigil? Saling-saling sa tindinas ng pag-ibig. Saling-saling sa tindinas ng pag-ibig. Saling sa tindinas ng pag-ibig. Saling-saling ng
Remember Thank you for the ice cream, sir.
Galing ah. Oo, galing ah.
Chicken